Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so for this problem, it states the table below, which is actually above, gives the age and bone density for 5 randomly selected women. Using the data, consider the equation of the regression line for predicting a woman's bone density based on her age. Keep in mind that the correlation coefficient may or may not be statistically significant for the data given. Remember, in practice, it would not be appropriate to use the regression line to make a prediction of a correlation coefficient is not statistically significant. So it wants you to find the estimated slope. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, take this. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so that way it's easier to see. I'm also going to fix this so that way for the chart axes. So I'm going to start this at 30. There we go. And so I'm going to also insert a trend line, and I'm going to get my equation by doing this. Going to make it bigger. And here you go. Okay, so it says find the estimated slope. So the estimated slope, round it to 3 decimal places, is negative 1.378. And I'm going to do red, bold, and make this a little bit bigger. Oops. And then it says find the estimated y-intercept. So the estimated y-intercept is this 404.88. And I'm going to just make that in red. Determine if the statement, not all points predicted by the linear model fall on the same line. Well, it is a scatter plot. So that is true. Determine if the value of the dependent variable is x equals 0. So for the age, I guess that you could be 0 because that would represent them as a baby. So that would be when they're born. So when they are born, that would be like that first day. According to the estimated linear model, if the value of the independent variables increase by 1 unit, then the change of the dependent variable y is given by, so for every increase in bone density, your age for every increase of 1 year of age, your bone density decreases by 1.378. And that's in red and bold. And that was my sentence. And then it says, find the value of the coefficient determination, so I'll let you do that. But you could also use that r squared. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.